Mueller Austria hand blender, Smart Stick 800W, 12-speed and turbo mode, 3-in-1, titanium steel blades, comfy grip handle, with whisk, chopper grinder bowl and beaker measuring cup. Best on the market, from our titanium steel 4-blade rotation system to our full copper 800-watt clump destroying motor, no other stick blender matches this model's ability to crush, pulverize, and smoothly blend, so any recipe or smoothie can be made with the easiest cleanup. The sleek ergonomic handle provides comfort, but with great control and stability to prevent slippage. Powerful and fast 12 speeds give you maximum choice and precision to prepare salsas, shakes, smoothies, baby food, and more. 800 watts of power drives consistently smooth results and high performance. Use the turbo boost for maximum speed and a more homogeneous mixture. Smart appliance, save money, time and effort with the multi-functions of the Immersion blender. The bell-shaped blending base reduces suction and splashing, so you can blend and puree in less time and whisk and chop in seconds. With a convenient hook to store and easy-to-detach dishwasher-safe attachments, this is your smart choice blender for kitchen functionality. Practical attachments include snap-on blending and whisk attachments, beaker, 20 ounces, and twist and lock chopper, 16 ounces, with removable blade. The chopper acts as your mini food processor with the perfect lid to eliminate mess and tearing eyes when chopping white or red onions. Live customer care. Talk to us via our toll-free number or live chat, not via email like our competitors. Our total satisfaction promise covers all our products. In the unlikely event that you don't love your smart stick, we will give you a replacement or a full refund. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.